Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Dung blossom season is upon us, and there are plenty of ways to enjoy this annual event. As the blossoms begin to fall from the trees, they whirl about in a visual spectacle reminiscent of a flurry of snow. In fact, Dung blossom season in Chinese is sometimes referred to as snow in May. There are many places in Taiwan to catch this arresting sight. In the north, check out the Changtian Temple and Dung Blossom Park in Tucheng, tea trails in Taoyuan, and the Tung Blossom Trail in Hsinchu County. In the center, don't miss the Ridge Trail in Baguashan, Changhua City. In the east, head to Nanxi and Nanao in Yilan County.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka.
大家好，我是阿平哥Leo。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And again, the tongue flower blossom is also known as the snow of May， 就是五月雪啊。
月雪
，OK， 就是桐花季，就是这个月跟下个月呢会是最开花的时候了。
对，花开的最漂亮的时候就是这个时候。
But did you know that the tongue flower can be used for different purposes？ 桐花其实也会把那个油榨出来，就是用来别的一些用途嘛，对不对？
早期的时候那个桐油，它是一个很好的防水药剂。
That's right.
像美浓的纸伞、蜜农给自扎爱啊，他们就会用那个桐油来当做一个防水的一个功能。
对，就抹在上面，对不对？让它更持久、更耐水、防水这样子。So we're here just to mention that the oil of a tongue flower can be used as a lacquer, like a waterproofing lacquer, especially used on paper umbrellas, which is something that is very popular with the Hakka culture. So maybe Leo can tell us where in Taiwan would you go and enjoy a tongue flower blossom?
其实台湾很多地区都有，那我们就从北这样往下来讲好了。
All right, from northern Taiwan, 北部有哪里？
兔赏。对，土城那一带还蛮多的。
Okay, so in northern Taiwan, around Tucheng Township, you can go see some tongue flowers. 还有哪里呢？
还有就是桃园县跟龙潭乡
啊，这我知道了，桃园县的龙潭嘛，对不对？
对。
Okay, 桃园 County's Longtan Township.
再来就是新竹县的芎林。
这也去过新竹县的琼林，对不对？
对，琼林。
Okay, so that's another township, Chongling Township, to visit in 新竹 County. 那
中部地区的话，中部地区就很有名的，叫做八卦山，彰化。
彰化 County 八卦山 ，OK。
东部我们可以去宜兰的南澳。
南澳。So right by the seaside on the east coast, you can go to Yilan County's Nanao Township. So if you have time, go see the snow of May or 五月雪。
月雪。
And that's also known as the tongue flower. All right, that does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
按子谁张来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.